The 1955 Studebaker President Speedster, priced at $32,500, is a beautiful classic car with a custom interior. This vehicle underwent a total restoration in 2013 and has always been garage kept. It is powered by a 259 V8 engine. For more information, interested buyers are encouraged to message the seller. No trades are accepted. The 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe, listed at $11,000, runs and drives well. This two-door vehicle is equipped with an inline-six engine and a three-on-the-tree manual transmission. It features dual exhaust from the manifold and is described as very solid. Although the restoration is older and the paint isn't perfect, it still attracts a lot of attention. All glass is in good condition, and the interior is mostly original, with the carpet inside and in the trunk having been replaced. The car comes with a new battery, a rebuilt starter, and a spare motor purchased for the chrome bolt-ons. The 1932 Plymouth PB Coupe, offered at $25,000, has a rebuilt engine and a new exhaust system. The car is being sold by the owner's son and has been kept in great condition. If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you. The 1957 Morris Minor 1000, available for $13,000, is a traveler model that has undergone an older restoration. It has been well cared for and is driven several times a year. The car features a 948cc engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, and everything is in working order. Priced at $9,500, the 1958 Nash Metropolitan is in almost perfect condition both inside and out. It runs and drives well. Reasonable offers are considered. The 1952 International L100, listed at $18,000, is an all-original truck that runs and drives. It was repainted about 8 years ago with some minor defects from wear and tear. The truck features an original 6-cylinder 6V system and remains a beautiful vehicle overall. The 1947 Ford Sedan, priced at $18,000, is a solid driver with an all-Ford build. It has a rebuilt 302 engine, C4 transmission, and Ford rear end. The car has a new interior. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird, available for $25,000, features a raven black exterior with a tuxedo interior. It is equipped with a V8 292 engine, manual transmission with overdrive, Continental kit, power steering, power seats, power brakes, white wall tires, solid wheels, and factory spare. This convertible is fully serviced and ready for summer rides. The 1956 Chevrolet 3100, priced at $18,900, is powered by a 383 engine with a 4-speed transmission and dual exhaust system. The odometer reads 48,000 miles, but the vehicle's mechanical condition exceeds its mileage. The driver and passenger windows are cracked, and the driver's side is missing a hand crank and is off track. No trades are accepted. The 1954 Willys M38A1, listed at $13,500, is in very good condition with an original tub, motor drive, and train. It is numbers matching and runs and drives great. The 1953 Ford Customline, available for $8,000, is a California car with a flathead engine bored 30 over and rebuilt. It has a 3-on-the-tree transmission with overdrive. The seller drives it about 50 miles a year and claims it has the best stock 8BA flathead engine. The seller might consider a trade for a camper and mentions limited storage space. The 1933 Ford Roadster, priced at $29,750, features a rumble seat and larger seating for more comfort. This rare Roadster runs and drives great, making it a unique find for larger drivers. The 1952 MGTD, listed at $26,900, has a 1.3-liter inline 4-cylinder engine with a Judson supercharger and a 5-speed manual transmission. This classic car, with less than 11,000 units made in 1952, offers an exciting drive and is a head-turner. The 1926 Ford Model T, available for $19,500, is a street rod with a 350 engine, mother thumper cam, new brawler carb, and custom black pearl paint. It features an automatic transmission, front disc brakes, an all-steel tub with 4 opening doors, and new wheels and tires. The car has been appraised at $27,500 and is ready for immediate enjoyment.